This is the Royal Clutch G68 keyboard. It has double shot PBT keycaps that resemble the GMK Amethyst. It has switches, which are the Akko Matcha green linears. So all 68 keys of the keyboard has the same switch. It is unlooped, no film. Everything is stock at the moment. Alright, so that was a normal typing test. So now we'll be doing the keys individually. So there's still some rattle because the stabilizers are still stock. So this is a stock sound test of this board. So it's a pretty new board that I just got last week, and I've done some basic changes only. I've changed the keycaps to something better, and I've also changed the switches. The stock Otemu blues were just not for me, and this is what we have for now. Future mods are stuff such as O-rings. I'm planning to put some foam as well in between the board and the PCB, and other than that, I'm planning to also replace the stabilizers. The current ones are pretty rattly. I'm going to get some better plate mount stabilizers for it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Do suggest any other mods if there are any for this particular board. Do you guys have the Royal Clutch G68 as well? Do let me know what's your experience with it. I quite enjoy it personally. Thank you so much for watching. This is Mohan, signing out. Bye bye.